Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida. And we've expanded our business in such a way that we're operating off a 5-acre lot, much different from Holiday. And this is the back of the building. You've seen the front parts of the building during some of the demonstrations and installations that we've done. We're putting on another building right over here for our CNC. And everything's coming together really nice. So there's the back of the building here, and you've seen the front, and we're going to be putting another pad out here, and perhaps even an addition on this as well. And you can see we've been really busy. We have a finished 36, another 36. This one's going to North Carolina, and it's all precision built, really nice, high quality, factory built. That's the way we go, is factory. We don't have any distributors, so we can control the costs. In fact, I just invested in this huge crate here as a 4x4 plasma cutter CNC, so we can control the parts inventory and expense, so we're not overly inventorying and getting too much parts that we're not using, so we can streamline the pricing for the customer. And that's what we're shooting for. So that it's all about cost. And when you can do stuff that other companies can't do and they have to rely on other companies, that really limits their ability to profit and also offer a price that's substantially lower. So we go all out to do the best that we can for the industry. And we do all our infrastructure TIG welding here at the shop. Our quarter plate is a CNC laser cut quarter plate. There's none other in the industry that uses this sturdy plate. Most interesting part of this Blue Baron series of truck mounts, and the high con of it, Blue Baron series of truck mounts, is the access point heat exchanger. 3,500 pounds pressure rated. Will do up to 3,000 and above. And typically this unit will do 2,000 plus, so that you don't have to turn down pressure washing jobs. And look at this, everything is open, everything is easy to get to, all stainless header, belt guards. We have our new manifold that's simplistic in design, minimizing any kind of leaks, high pressured stainless braided hoses. Just everything is just nicely put together in our units, and they're very well organized and laid out. The layout and design of these units is very simplistic and easy to get to bolts. The skirting is, you just put your hand underneath the skirting and you can reach down and loosen the bolts to allow you to change out belts. You've got angular adjustment, you've got a pullback, got the same thing for the water pump inside here. We've also got a drain for the water pump itself, got a marker in there that tells you how much pump oil there is. Same thing with this drain over here for your engine oil. So everything is so easy to get to. You got the open shroud area, so it's easy to service. We got our new dynamo silencers that we've designed that has come out to be one of the best as far as dampening, but does not cut off all your airflow and CFM. And that's key, because you have to reach a certain sweet spot in the amount of dampening that you get versus the amount of CFM that you're allowed to go through. Too many obstacles and too much corridors and too many partitions inside can really drastically affect your vacuum. Your CFM will be dragged down, and it can also cause your blower to overheat as well. So we've really taken a lot of pride. We have a lot of control over the market when it comes to our heat exchangers, so we build them in-house here. And we've been doing this patented heat exchanger for quite a number of years now. We're 19 years in the business, and all of these units come out just beautiful. They're all powder coated, they're all belt driven, so you don't have to worry about breakage of the Buna rubbers that a lot of these other truck mount manufacturers are using. It's not a slap it together, garage built looking unit like some of the others out there with hoses flopping all over the place. There's so much tidiness and organization in the way that we build our units which means less leaks, easy maintenance. The unit will last longer, cool, so that you got air going across the vents and the major components, so that you get this unit to last longer, less time in the shop, and more time out on the road making money. And that's what it's all about. So, you'll like what we do. We got another one here, and we got an Economy 36 that we haven't augmented the foot brackets and a smaller panel. This will be the Economy 36. And we got another panel cut there, laser cut, and another panel for another 45, compact 45. So we've been really busy. And next few videos, you'll see our plasma cutter CNC going to work and doing the brackets and cutting beautiful brackets that are what are needed in the industry. We have more control over the costs by cutting our own. So you can see we'll have our own T brackets cut, our end plates for our heat exchangers, our filter boxes. So just so many things we'll have more control over by having our own plasma cutter CNC. So as you can see, it's just very well structured. You've got the reinforcement. It's not like just empty pan. It's all like reinforced with tubular carbon steel, and just really nice unit. So this has a 27 horse Kohler and a 3 LR blower. We are also using the Urus blowers, which are similar to the Roots. They're all super high quality components that we use. They've been trial tested for long periods of time. I've been 45 years in this industry. I started in around 1980, and I know a lot about truck mounts. I've rebuilt so many of them, so many other manufacturers, so that I know what those areas that I need to see improved, just by looking at some of the shortcomings of the way and design flaws with other manufacturers. So we've really done well. We've sold a lot of these units, and the SE series is a little wider. This is about 38 inches high by 41 long, and about 20¼ inches wide. And you'll just really like what we have here. Come here to Lecanto and check it out. Check out one of our units, and you'll be amazed by the heat because of that patented design and the layout of the tubing, the high pressure tubing, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. You're going to love this machine. I guarantee you'll love it, and you'll love what we do with these units and how we design it and build it. So we also have thermostatic control. We have our silencer outlet from our vacuum system and our heat exchanger. As you can see, we got everything here: hand adjuster, unloader, temperature gauge, pressure gauge, vacuum gauge, tachometer, and hour meter. Accessory plug-in here for your pump out or any kind of device that you plan on powering up, whether it be a pump out or a demand pump for your freshwater tank. If you like to have one more on there, we can put one more on there as well. And we'll have it separately fused. And to maintain, we have an inlet for your WD-40 for your blower, so you can spray it in there and protect your blower. So everything is just nicely designed. We put a lot of time and effort into what we do. So call us today at 727-505-2989 or look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. And we also have a Mr. Blue Baron 1 YouTube channel. It's over 300 and I think it's about 309 videos right now, so it keeps climbing. And you'll enjoy watching so many different videos that involve this the enhancement of this industry and our accessory lines and our inline filter boxes, like this one here that we're building that goes alongside. There's your bracket that goes right alongside of the unit. And again, check us out at truckmountstore.com, and we have one that's been in there since 2005. It's an informational site. It's truckmountcarpetcleaningmachines.com. 727-505-2989. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.